Welcome to Excellence in Excel. I'm Nick Wong, and in this video we're going to discuss about how can you use conditional formatting with color scales in Excel. So one of the nice things with conditional formatting is adjusting the design and adjusting the colors and adjusting or making data or numbers easier to read for the user. With conditional formatting, you can go very deep, and there's so many applications for that. And one of the other applications that is really wonderful is the color scales. So we're going to give this a color scale, and we want to highlight our top value, and it will give different colors for every other value from top to bottom. So how to do that? Well, very easy. First of all, let's select all our values here. In this case, we have all these furniture items. Any furniture here has a value, so you can see here the chair is worth $50, a table $150, etc., etc. So we want to give these a specific color. Let's start with that. Step 1, select all of these that you want to give a conditional formatting for. Step 2, once you're on the home panel, click here on conditional formatting, and in here you can see the color scale options. So we're going to select this one. You can see there are multiple options. You can highlight them from highest value to lowest value, and then in this case the highest value will be green, lowest value will be red. The same as also you can highlight the highest value in red and the lowest value in green. So you can see this can go very deep, and of course there are multiple options, and you can even adjust the colors. In this case, what I want to highlight is I want to make the highest value red and the lowest value green. So let's select this, and once we select this, you can see instantly the color scale is adjusting, and this is really nice, and we can even adjust that more. If you want to emphasize this, we can just sort them out. Let's sort them from largest to smallest. Alright, so we want to expand the collection. Yes, alright. As you can see now, you can see this is like almost like a rainbow, going from red to slightly orange to yellow, and then start to become lime green to darker green. Very nice. This is a wonderful tool to highlight specific values. And in this case, we on purpose highlighted the highest value in red, since this is probably the most expensive item. Having this and all these kind of options with color scales helps you to visualize data faster and make it faster readable for your user, which is really valuable. So if you like this and all kind of tips and tricks for Excel, check out the link below. In there, you can find a wonderful Excel course that goes deeper in all the kind of things in Excel. And if you have questions or want to know more about a specific topic in Excel, post it in the comments, and I'll make sure I'll be following you up.